Hey guys, welcome to BIM Easy. Do you want to learn how to create moldings like these in Revit? Well, there are multiple ways to do so. The simplest way to do it is by using the wall sweep option, but the disadvantage of this option is that it always needs a wall as a host, so it has some limitations. The second method is you can do a model in place. But we all know using this feature bloats up your model and increases its size. So if you are working on a large scale project, then this is not at all recommended. The third option is creating a line based family for this mold, but family creation can be complex for some of the beginner users. So let me show you my approach of modeling moldings like this. Let's get started. As you can see, this is a beam of 500 mm depth and I need my molding here. So I cannot use the wall sweep option here because this is a beam and not a wall. Now what we will do, we will create a profile family. First go to File, New, Family and search for the metric profile template. This one. Click on it, click on Open. Now we will create a profile with this as the origin. Go to create line and I will create a 500 mm line above like this, and then I will take an arc option, click here and click like this. Again take the same arc option and draw a small arc like this. Now use the trim command to trim it. One important thing to remember while making these profiles is that it should form a closed loop and the lines should not overlap each other. Otherwise, your profile will not work. So now the name of the family is family 2. Just remember this name. You can save this family also and name it as per your requirement. So now let us load it into the project. So the profile is now loaded into a project. The next step will be to create a new wall type. Go to Wall, Architectural and select any wall. In our case, we will select this one and we will go to Edit Type. And now we need to duplicate this wall. Duplicate it and name it Balcony Molding like this and click on OK. Now go to Edit Structure and in the structure you can see this is the brick material. We can set this thickness to 0.8 mm. Just remember you cannot go below this value, otherwise Revit will give you an error. I'll show you. I am typing 0.75 and it will take 0.8 like this. Okay. So by default your window will be looking like this. Go to Preview and from here select Section. So your wall of 0.8 mm will be looking like this. Now we need to apply a sweep. Go to Sweep and click on Add and your profile should be loaded over here. So you can see family 2 is written over here. I will click on family 2. Okay. And I will click on OK. So you can see a preview of your family over here. Okay. So now what we will do, we will go to our plan view and make this wall. So I am just making the wall like this. Now we will go to the 3D view. So you can see my wall has been drawn, but the molding I guess is inside. So what will I do? I will select all the three walls like this and press the space bar to flip the wall. Now you can see my molding has appeared. The material is looking a little off. So what will we do? We will change the material of the molding also. We will go to the wall type, click on Edit Type, go to Edit, and so for this brick common, what we will use? Let's use this cherry material for time being, and also for the sweep we can change the material from here. We will use the cherry material. Okay, click on OK and click on OK and OK again. So now the material is changed. So you can see the molding is now ready. So why do I use this approach? Because walls in Revit are pretty flexible. They can be copied to multiple locations and they does not bloat the Revit file size. And also they are schedulable, so you can easily get the quantities of these wall sweeps. Only one slight limitation of this method is the wall which we created of 0.8 mm. It will be visible if you zoom in too much. I am going to the section view and now I am zooming in into it. So if you zoom in too much, you can see the double line like this. Otherwise, you are good to go. Okay guys, I hope you liked this approach and you will try it in your own projects. I am open to your feedback. If you liked the content, then please subscribe the channel for future updates also. Thank you so much for watching.